All right, hello. Tuesday, November 17th. Again, this video is mostly for people that were not able to attend class live. If you attend in class live, then you really don't need this video too much. But anyways, today's lesson on Tuesday, November 17th is to make a monster program. And you can see here, here's the program directions. And then these are some help videos. All right, and I would strongly, strongly encourage you to try to do the program on your own first, and then only watch the help videos if you really get stuck. All right, and even then, I would watch part of the help video, pause it, try some more of the code, unpause it, and code it in that way so that you are able to think through it and muddle through it on your own without just watching the video and copying down the code. I think that's not going to be all that helpful. All right, so a rough sketch of the program directions are right here. If you click on this little link here with the directions. So the basic idea is it's like a role-playing game where you have some health, you're fighting a monster that has some health, and each time you can either choose to fight or run away. And then the game keeps going until one person runs out of health, either you or the monster, or they choose to run away. All right, and if they run away, you're going to make some snarky comment about them losing the princess. If you run out of health, then you can say, you're a loser, you need a bigger sword. Or if you kill the monster, you can make some victorious statement or something like that. So that's the basic idea of it. And so you can change the parameters. Like in here, it says, the monster takes 0 to 25 damage, you take 0 to 25 damage, so you can kind of change that up if you want. And in past years, I've had kids enhance this and make spells and potions and all sorts of fun parts. But I would strongly encourage you to get the basics of it working. So don't do spells and potions and everything right away. Just get the fight or run working first. And then once you have that working, then build on different enhancements and features. This is one, again, that'll be turned in the Google Drive folder, or you can turn it in right here on this assignment too. But I prefer if you can turn it in Google Drive. So that's the basics of the program. Please note that tomorrow too will be a work day. So this monster program and palindrome program, I thought you might want a little extra time on those. So tomorrow you'll have a little bit extra time. So put in some good effort today. But if you need a little extra time to finish them up, you can do that tomorrow. Tomorrow I will be on Google Meet during our regular class time too. So you can pop in and ask questions. And feel free, obviously, to reach out through email too, because these are some challenging programs. So if you need help, obviously there's help videos in these folders and stuff, but also you can reach out through email if you want help with your specific code. All right, that is it. Have a great day.